I I'm having trouble hearing you. I can't. Can you say that again?
Uh,
Oh,
Now it's
maybe that.
fine. Hello.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, much
Now?
better. Yeah. Yeah. I got you. Say that one more time.
Hello. Hello.
I got you. Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So basically, should I discuss or should I show you in my screen?
Yeah. Sure. I. Yeah. Whatever you need from me. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Because another thing is like I don't want to like be sending like a client information and then get something and then you need something else and then it delays you and you're gonna end up like I don't want like to be honest with you, the best case scenario is that you don't touch the account until like you have everything you need.
Yeah.
You know, because then you're just gonna waste time and I don't like obviously I don't want that. So.
No problem.
You want me to change you to editor then on this?
So basically, all the step account I am going to prepare for the client because when they sign up, they they will mistake technically.
But some of these clients are they or but they need a pro account, right?
Yeah. So basically, I will help them to prepare that one. For the initial setup, there is nothing because client will make mistake and provide extra hassle to us. We will just
Yeah.
need their business email, nothing else to move forward for the step. Can you see?
Just their business, you know.
Yeah, just business email. Then we will invite them to a own to own an account and it will be permanently for them.
Interesting.
Nothing else. Yeah.
What about a custom subdomain?
It is very simple. So when we set up the container, we will add the custom domain and the step provide us two CNAME, maybe sometimes one CNAME, and we will
Yeah.
provide the CNAME and value to the owner. Then they can easily configure in their domain configuration.
In their records, but we don't need a pro account for that.
For the custom domain, there is no necessary for the pro account.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
when we cross the limit, we need to keep in mind that the pricing plan of the step is depending the request number, not for the free
Right.
or pro plan.
Okay.
So for the
Understand.
initial process, always we ask client that please provide me your business email, and we are going to send you the everything, transfer everything when the account
Okay.
and configuration is ready. But
Okay.
the first thing to get started working, we need Google Tag Manager, admin access.
Admin. Yeah. Okay.
Then Google Analytics 4 also.
A lot of clients that I have don't have GA4
No
too.
problem. Then we are going to prepare one for them according to their business.
Do you need anything? You just need the business email for that.
To prepare the Google Analytics, actually, I think it should be in the client's email, under client's email, because otherwise, if we prepare it with our this email, it can be possible. Then provide them the ownership. It is also possible, but while
So
setting
the
up the
client.
Google Analytics account, we have to make some very important information that may be not in our
Yeah.
hand, and the
So the
client
client
own the
needs.
yeah.
They need to create the Google Analytics account.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Okay. Let me see what the SOP I sent you has real quick on that, so I can change the
Then
Stape account. I can change. I'll just change that. I
yeah,
understand what you're talking about.
just we will need their business email, nothing else.
Yeah. Actually, let me just go back to that SOP and I'll just make these changes because this is gonna go right to client, and then obviously there might be some adjustments client account to account, right?
And
But
and I think this Google document should be more smaller because
just
it's
more
a,
simple.
yeah, more simple.
Okay.
That's why I
Yeah.
am writing the main point here. One second.
Yeah, let's
So
do that.
Meta Event Manager. Meta Event Manager. That means it is under Meta Business Portfolio. Then assign asset,
Okay.
and then
So if I give
ads account.
Meta Google if I put that new email under a person, and then I can assign you to the data set, right?
For Metapixel,
Yeah.
when they invite, ultimately I need to join with my Facebook account.
Yeah,
but
because it's a
it-
people access, right?
In the right side of my name, this email will be visible, and client will understand that, oh, this is from GZ marketing guy.
So when I have partner access to all client accounts. So I'll have to put you under my business portfolio and then give you access to their data sets.
You have partner access to all.
All.
Yeah, that's great. Then it will be more easier.
Yeah, I don't do admin or people access. I do like agency to business access.
I understand. It's the partner access. No problem. Anyway, I can just go to their event manager of their Meta Business Portfolio. Then I can test and I can set up and I can configure the pixels. All of the
Exactly.
things.
So do you want me to add tracking at GZ Marketing, or do you want me to add you to my business portfolio?
You can invite me in your business portfolio with this email.
Okay, that's what I'll do then. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Here,
Google Tag
I'll-
Manager, Google Analytics, and then how you will receive the Google Ad account invitation? You will just provide me invitation in this email, or
I have access through my MCC, yeah, my manager account.
okay, then just add this email
Yeah,
as an standard user of that MCC.
I'll do that right now. Yeah. How's your new computer? It's nice.
Yeah, it's MacBook Pro. It's very
Nice.
nice. Cost me almost $2,000+.
Did you work on a Mac before or no?
Yeah, I have another Mac. I'll
Okay.
show you.
Yeah, I have a MacBook Pro somewhere over here too. I don't use it anymore. I use it like a desktop one, but I use it when I
Okay.
travel.
I understand. So basically, this is my MacBook Air, a slow and teeny device. Now it is off, and I got the new
Nice.
MacBook
It helps,
Because-
right? The efficient.
Pro. Do you do content creation also, podcast or something like that? Because I see that a nice working studio.
No, nah, man, I have some ideas to do some courses, but I don't really like selling shit like that. Like, I like doing the work, you know? Like, I don't know. Like, I know a lot of people, they like courses and stuff, but no, I don't do any YouTube or anything like that. I've thought about it, but I'm pretty private, to be honest with you. I'm real private.
Yeah, that's
My life
great,
is
that's
really
great.
private. No one knows anything about me.
Okay, I
Like,
understand.
I'm okay to share things, but like my people don't they don't know what I do and things like that. Yeah. So
Okay,
I kind of like it like that.
I wish it also. But here in Bangladesh, actually, when people, especially my age and the teenagers, see that, oh, this man just completed the university and doing great in the freelance sector, freelancing service, and also they are planning their career outside of the box and without the study field, they are making a career in the IT sector. Then a lot of people, more than 2 million people,
Yeah.
actively working to learn freelancing, different kinds of digital marketing, others programming, web development, a lot of things. I myself
Yeah.
also completed the full stack digital marketing, That means SEO, PPC, then email marketing, all the sector.
Nice.
But right now I
Yeah.
am only working in the advertising, analytics and tracking.
Yeah. It's good, man.
When we are going to start working, the first thing we will need is connecting their Google Tag Manager with their website.
Right.
So it's very much important. If the website is Shopify or WordPress, then we are going to have their login of their website.
Yeah.
Then on WordPress, we are going to use a plugin that is called ZTM Kit.
Okay.
And for Shopify, in the setting, then customer event section, I'm going to add a complete custom code, a big number of code.
Yeah.
That code will help to make a data layer and everything, and our Google Tag Manager ID will be also there.
Yeah.
So this is much technical thing. I think most of the business owners do not know about it. We have to do it for them.
Sure.
On the other
Yeah,
hand, when you will have some other clients like Laravel, PHP, Maven, then custom website, then maybe we are going to have developer help to connect the Google Tag Manager, and then rest thing we can do easily. Like others, Magento or Squarespace or Wix or different kinds of platforms. They are like WordPress and Shopify. We are going to have their login, then we can configure ourselves.
Okay. On that list, do you want me to make sure that they send access? Like, I don't think, was there anything on that list for website access?
So when they provide us all the invitation to the Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, Google Ad, Metapixel, and the LinkedIn, whatever all the things, the first thing is connecting Google Tag Manager with the website.
Yeah.
When the connection is successful, then I am ready to move ahead.
Yeah. So on that list that you just put on the SOP, do you want me to make sure that one of the first things is website access?
If many clients do not love to share the website access, then we
Right.
will request them that, hey, please help us to connect Google Tag Manager to your website.
And we'll send them the code with
Yeah,
the custom domain.
Yeah, and whenever we will start working with the Shopify or the WordPress, we will go to another video call. Then I will show you how to do that. And you can easily have a call with those clients and just
Yeah.
follow the process. Very simple.
Sure.
That will be helpful.
The other thing is I think we can get this sorted out. I'd like to speed it up as much as we can so I can just send the client, they can give me what they need, because the clients should give me access. I have a couple clients that don't give me website access, but it's like maybe one or two. Every other one of them just gives me website access for what I need to do. But I can think of one that doesn't.
Yeah, so if you have access, that is not necessary that come to me. We will have another video call and we can do it together, like screen sharing. That is very fine.
Sure. And then you can send me an invoice for a thing for for the other account, the last account I sent you. She paid, but it's just pending for some reason. But you can send me an invoice for that, and I'll see if that hits tomorrow. Should be good though. Let me double check. But she approved everything, and then but the other account the priority is the brain health one, because they're waiting for me to finish. And the ads are done, so all the ads are done.
One
Yeah.
second. One important thing that I need to do is working sheet according to the priority. One second. I am going to open that in my-
They're on Shopify too, but I do have website access already.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
And so brain health is priority, but they're not if that's the first one. The other one I'm still waiting on some thank you pages, and then the last one I have everything I need. I just waiting on I was waiting on that payment.
Okay,
But you got to send me a payment too, or an invoice.
yeah, I'm going to say that, no problem. So here you can see the client name, project description, video guideline, for myself actually. Sometimes client provide me different kind of skin record video. Then
Okay.
start date, end date. So I think this sheet will be necessary for us also,
Okay.
especially for the deadline
Yeah.
maintenance process. And here easily when we can change in progress or waiting response, decline
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
completed, or it will like that.
Perfect.
So these types of working sheet is necessary for us.
Yeah. 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 It
I'm
is.
going to make one and I'm going to send you, no problem.
Perfect. Yeah. Cool. I'll throw that in my drive as well too.
Yeah.
And then yeah, that's like I said, because I have another account that's doing LinkedIn and Facebook and maybe Google. So I need LinkedIn, Facebook, Google for that account set up. And then they want to start like quick, like I got like maybe a week. Like, and then we have a call with them on Wednesday, and by Wednesday they're probably gonna want to start ads within the next like 3 or 4 days. And then I have 2 more accounts that I already told them like that I have a different setup because we were looking for a better solution as well with some stuff. Those accounts will probably be set up pretty quickly as well, and those are pretty much the same. It's like leads to calls, they're business to business, so it's like leads, calls, Stripe, purchase value. So those are like all the 3 that we have now, and then I have 3 more like almost immediately, probably. Like actually no, those are all like dead set, unless the other client wants to wait for any reason, but I don't think he's going to. So that's yeah. So there's a lot of work coming through, to be honest.
Okay, no problem. So if I show you my room of my working,
Yeah.
then it will be very interesting for you.
Oh yeah. Let's see it. Nice. Nice. There you go. Hell yeah. My room's empty, man. I got nothing in here. Like just a little, like a beanbag chair, throwing a hat, and that's it, man. That's like a little window, or with a it actually goes to the rest of my house. It's like a window, and then down there is the rest of my house. Yeah, but that's in Spanish it's called la lengua de suegra. In Spanish. In Spanish it's la lengua de suegra, but in English it's called eggplant. Yeah. It's a good plant. Yeah. Well, cool, man. I'm glad you got a new computer. That's always fun. I appreciate your time as always. I'm gonna it's late here too, so I'm gonna head to bed. But I'll get you what you need, and I really appreciate the patience, because I just want to make sure that I'm not sending clients like multiple documents and things like that. I just want to be able to send them one document, and then if I get on a call, I'm just gonna walk them through the document. I'm just gonna say, I'll simplify the document at least at the top, and then I'll just keep like the directions and stuff below that, so they can see like everything that we need, and then they can check it off, and then if they need more help, they can click down here and they can like see more help. But other than that, man, yeah, I think that's it. So perfect. I appreciate it. And then honestly, you really can't do anything until I give you access, so I apologize, but I need to give you at least access to some of those stuff, but I have to wait on the clients, because yeah, so unfortunately I might just kind of be stuck till Monday, because tomorrow's Saturday. I'll see if the clients can get some stuff taken care of over the weekend, but they probably won't respond, to be honest. So okay, man. Yep, I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, take it easy. You too.